कौन सा वाला सफेद? चांद वाला, कागज वाला सफेद या गुलाब वाला सफेद?
2026 presents us all with a clean slate in everything and even fashion. And what better way to start but with the Pantone color of the year, Cloud Dancer. And for people who don't understand colors like that, it's basically white. White can be pristine, elegant, minimal, classy, bold and adventurous even. It can basically be like that overachiever cousin of ours who can achieve it all. But here are a few of my favorite white style moments that I would love to talk about and that can easily be recreated. Like Anne Hathaway, you can keep it really chill, just go for a boxy silhouette and style it up with interesting accessories. White can be really dressy too, like Mikael Moran here with a statement blazer and pinstripe, keeping it classy and cool. Like Ananya, if you want to go for the angelic dreamy effect, then go for lacy, transparent fabrics that can make you look really feminine and sexy. If you've got a dynamic personality like Jacob Elordi, a white shirt is the classic best outfit for you to go. Pair it with jeans, black trousers, anything, but just keep it classy and minimal. Nothing says old money like how a white suit says. Just style it well with interesting layering and you'll look really suave and elegant. If you want to go festive with white, you can really play up with the embroidery and textures like how I've given Vicky this embellished kurta and you can totally make it glam and festive. Like Deepika, you can keep it preppy and playful and just play with sheer fabrics and tone-on-tone layering. Priyanka Chopra shows you how white can be really adventurous and bold and you can totally make it uber glam by going for a sculpted piece like that. Alia's Gucci dress, so minimal and beautiful, and it can easily be recreated by going for something that's body flattering, minimal, and just add a statement piece of accessory. If there are any more trends you would like me to talk about, comment below.